Hello and welcome to English Snacks, a delicious little podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Amber. I'm here to help you develop your fluency, one bite-sized lesson at a time. Please feel free to enjoy this snack at a slower speed if you need, or pause between example sentences if you'd like to repeat them. I serve you the English snack, but how you enjoy it is your choice. In the last several episodes, we've been looking at how to use different body parts to express ourselves in modern English. Today, it's the word I. Here are 6 common expressions that native speakers use. I will tell you the meaning and an example sentence for each one. Please feel free to pause if you'd like to repeat them. 1. To keep an eye on, meaning watch something or someone carefully. Example, can you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom? 2. To catch someone's eye, meaning to attract someone's attention. Example, her bright dress caught everyone's eye at the party. 3. In the blink of an eye, meaning very quickly, almost instantly. Example, the car disappeared in the blink of an eye. 4. To turn a blind eye, meaning to pretend not to notice something wrong. Example, the teacher turned a blind eye to the students chatting in class. 5. Eye for an eye, meaning a punishment equal to the offence. Example, his response was an eye for an eye after the insult. 6. To have eyes bigger than one's stomach, meaning wanting to eat more than you actually can. Example, he took a huge plate of food but couldn't finish it. His eyes were bigger than his stomach. Well done! You showed up today and finished this episode. It went in the blink of an eye, didn't it? I hope you feel nourished and energized after this English snack. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be here dishing out bite-sized lessons to fuel your growth. So come hungry for knowledge.